Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram user not found problem in Instagram application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Click on profile picture. Again click on three line. Scroll down. Again click on blocked. You make sure this user or this account you block or unblock. You block this account, please unblock this account. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store, go to search Instagram app, update your Instagram application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram user not found problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.